Isa pa.
Circular permutation.
Ano meron kay circular permutation? Everybody read?
Is the arrangement of objects in a circular manner.
So this is another type of arrangement. Kasi nasa permutation pa rin ha. Another type of arrangement that is what? That has something to do with with the arrangement in which the objects that we are trying to arrange are in circular motion. So meaning, paikot sila. So that's not a normal situation that we are doing. Tama? Kasi sa linear permutation, natatandaan niyo yung linear permutation. Pag linear permutation, ganito lang siya kasimple. Halimbawa, gusto kong ayusin yung tatlo. 3 people, I want to arrange them in a chair, no? I have 3 slots here. Gagamit tayo ng FPC. Tandaan niyo yan? Tandaan niyo. Halimbawa, may 3 tao kung gustong ayusin. Pero linear permutation muna, linear permutation. So the first slot, since wala pang nakakaupo isa man sa kanila, 3 of them have the equal chance of being selected. Tama? So anong lalagay ko dito? 3. Pero ulit, hindi po ito ibig sabihin na 3, 3 yung uupo doon. Alangan namang sa isang upuan, 3 silang nakaupo. Hindi po ganon. 3 silang pagpipilian, pero still, only 1 people will sit in that slot. Clear po? Kaya ko lang nilagay na 3 kasi 3 silang pwede kong piliin. Naka po. O ngayon, there are still 2 people standing, right? And since one of them already seated here, ilan na lang dito? 2. Tapos dito, 1. So the answer is 6. Agree kayo? 6 yun? O, merong 6 na paraan para ayusin yung 3 tao sa 3 upuan. Clear? Punta tayo ng circular permutation. Imagine, there's a round table. There are 3 chairs around. Okay, this is not a bubble, ha? I know you are SPA and very good in drawing, but do not judge my drawing, Lexi, ha? I know you are the champion of drawing. Ayan. This is not a bubble, and also, this is not a Pokemon. This is just a circular, no? This is a table and there are 3 chairs around. Alright? So imagine there are 3 people that will sit around the table. Those people are, let's say, Elijah, Nico, and Daniel. Okay. Imagine they are seated around the table and they decided to move, no? In circular motion, but still they are seated next to each other. Halimbawa, nagdesisyon si Elijah, dito naman siya uupo. Okay niya? Tapos si Nico, doon naman mapupunta, si Daniel lang mapupunta doon. Na-imagine niyo ba? Nakatingin tayo sa bird's eye point of view. Ayun sila sa baba. Nakikita niya? So si Daniel na yun nandun sa nakapesto.